Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling essential assets and the very first steps to visualize medicine delivery. Import layered anatomy models into your scene and align scales so organs sit in realistic positions. Once done, load drug particle or tracer models and set frame rate to 24-30 FPS so motion reads naturally. Make sure to organize layers and name groups logically. This saves hours later. Finally, establish camera angles for clinical close-ups and a wide contextual shot before you begin animating flows. Now focus on the complex middle, animating the drug's journey. Build a particle system with emission tied to an injection point. Set velocity and lifespan so particles traverse vessels realistically. Once particles move, apply flow maps and force fields representing blood velocity and turbulence to guide paths. This produces believable dispersion. Make sure to enable collisions with vessel walls and organs, and bind particles to vessel geometry so they follow anatomy. Keyframe concentration and release rates to show dosage changes over time. Finish by rendering and compositing to communicate how and why the medicine works. Export AOVs such as depth, velocity, and masks to control blur and focus in post. Once done, composite passes to enhance contrast, add subtle glow for active molecules, and overlay labels or legends explaining absorption sites. Make sure to optimize render settings for noise versus time. If results look off, check scale mismatches, inconsistent frame rate, particle counts, or mesh topology as the primary troubleshooting tip to resolve errant behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.